Hello and welcome to today's Friday SEO tip. My name is Chris Ralph. I'm the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing. Today, I actually presented a webinar entitled AI in Global Digital Marketing. Are you keeping up? Presented that for Gala, the Globalization and Localization Association. And as part of this webinar, I ran a few tests, so like case studies on our own website. I wanted to see, will ChatGPT created content, will it actually rank in Google, or AI assisted content development in SEO? How does that work? All right. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the results that I presented to my audience today. So first of all, let's take a look at will 100% AI generated content rank in Google. All right, so I asked ChatGPT, hey, what are the benefits of localizing, meaning that means translating a website? Then ChatGPT came up with a very decent set of content here. Then I went over to Writer. It's a tool that you can use to check if content was being created using AI. So here we go. This tool predicts that there's a 33% likelihood that this piece of content was created by a human. That's very low. Then I went over to GPT-0, a tool you may have heard of by now. It's able to detect AI generated content. So there we go. Your text is most likely to be AI generated. All right, so here are the three case studies that I presented in today's webinar. I'm going to talk about how we can, or how anybody can use content creation, AI, and SEO to potentially get to the top in Google. All right, first of all, number one, acceptable at best. All right, so I asked ChatGPT, hey, write a 500-word blog post about why any business could benefit from an SEO service package in 2023. I then ran that content through Grammarly, cleaned it up, made it sound okay, removed any kind of plagiarism, and then down there went ahead and posted this piece of content to our website about a month ago at the end of 2022. All right, we'll take a look at the results in a second here, how this piece of content is ranking or not in Google. Then second option, good but not amazing. I basically used our favorite SEO tool here at Bold SEO Marketing called SE Ranking to do keyword research. What keywords are we going to optimize a specific piece of content for? Then I used SE Ranking's content editor tool to do a SERP analysis to basically come up with an outline for a blog post. Then I used ChatGPT to fill in the paragraphs. I did it paragraph by paragraph or section by section. So I didn't just say, hey, write a blog post of 1,000 words about this topic. I used it very specifically to create individual sections. All right. Then I cleaned it up. Every section I edited it, I really rewrote it, etc., etc. Then I ran it through Grammarly again to remove plagiarized content, made sure it sounded good, it was grammatically okay. And then I went ahead and published it on our website. I did that a day after the first blog post, the acceptable at best. All right. The third option, clearly what's working best, hard work pays off, is sort of like we followed our micro SEO strategy methodology. We use SE Ranking to do keyword research, the SERP analysis, everything that tool has to offer, right, to assist us with their AI to come up with something that we think will have an amazing chance to rank in Google. Then we used real writers to actually write the content. real people, no AI generated content, then we always run the content through Grammarly to catch plagiarized content, potentially grammatical mistakes, etc. Then we put the team to work, designers, etc., to create something that's really outstanding. Okay. And then we publish that piece of content to our website. So now I want to share the results. All right, this is option one, mediocre. This is the piece of content that I created, even used the DALL-E, the image AI creation tool. So, oops, you can barely see it there. Let me see if I can move my face here. The text is likely human generated, okay, because I cleaned it up, I edited it, so that tool thinks it's actually generated by a human. However, as you can see here, this is the result from Google Search Console. It's not performing that well in search. However, it does rank for some keywords, but nobody will be searching for, not a lot of people are going to search for like exactly this kind of keyword. So this page, I don't think will ever rank well in Google search. So that was like the worst option on how to create a piece of content. Then this is the better option. This was the process. Again, did keyword research using SE Ranking, used SE Ranking's content editor tool to come up with an outline. And then check this out. SE Ranking provides parameters input here. Okay, this piece of content should be X amount of words long, should have these headings, etc., etc. So I used their advice right here. And then I went to work and created basically a 3,000 word document right here that we then edited it, optimized it. It's put a lot of effort into creating this piece. Took about 4 hours to put this piece of content up on our website. As you can see here, the tool doesn't think that it's AI generated. And it's actually performing okay, or it's starting to perform okay in Google search. As you can see here, it's actually starting to rank pretty well for the target SEO keywords that we selected. All right. Then ultimately, the best thing that you can do when you want to rank, or if you want to rank high in Google search, is follow the micro SEO strategy process. I'll add more information about that later on in this video. But this is basically what we created, right? We used, again, SE Ranking to come up, do the SERP analysis, but all the content is human generated. Our designers went to work, created beautiful sections here. As you can see, this is a very labor intensive piece of content that we created here. And the results are quite different than compared to version 1 and 2. This piece of content actually generates about 50% of all the leads that we get here at Boulder SEO Marketing. It ranks for nearly 50 keywords on page 1 in Google, including very highly competitive keywords such as SEO marketing packages, SEO services package, etc., etc. So this is the methodology that I recommend. Do implement a micro SEO strategy. You need a team of experts. You need AI tools such as SE Ranking. That's a winning combination. Basically, you want to identify a page that already ranks for a low-hanging fruit keyword opportunity, then create something that's way better than what's currently available out there, and then deploy a hyper-focused on and off-page SEO strategy around that micro strategy page. Here's a video that we recorded not too long ago about micro SEO strategy, how anybody can outrank any competitor with micro SEO strategies. So I hope this video was insightful and that you learned something new. Be well, and until next time. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.